Ẹ̀yin tèmi báwo ni o ṣe wà? Lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́ ṣe wà? Ẹ̀yin tèmi lórí YouTube ṣe wà? Lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́ ṣe wà? Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. Are you guys holding up with this quarantine, lockdown, and all this stuff? I hope you guys are safe. Please stay indoor, stay safe, eat better food, do exercise in your room. So guys, in today's video I'm just like going to do a cook with me video. I think this is my first cook with me video. Yes, this is my first cook with me video. Guys, ignore my hair, just ignore the hair. This my braids is my cornrow, I mean, is 3 months plus. I was supposed to lose it and make another one, but then coronavirus came, so I couldn't go anywhere to like even make the hair, and I can't lose it because if I lose it now, it will be a disaster because my hair is so strong. That is why I left it. So I'll just tie my hair, I'll tie it to a scarf. So I'm going to do a cook with me video. I'll be making white rice and ATA-DINDIN. ATA-DINDIN is basically fried stew without tomatoes. ATA-DINDIN is a typical Yoruba Nigerian stew. I don't know if any other tribe eats this, but there we Yoruba, we love this pepper so much. And not just ordinary stew, we kind of use locust bean. I'm going to show you guys the ingredient, but then let me go and tie my hair, pack my these twins, because now they are like this. Let me go and pack them, then we'll proceed. See you guys. So guys, I have put on my scarf, and I have my baby strapped at my back. My baby boy is kind of sick. I think he's teething. He's been sick for like 2 days, but I'm scared to take him to the doctor, but I'm doing self-medication, but he's getting better. So now we are going to start cooking our stew and white rice. So first thing, I'm going to blend the pepper. So let me show you guys. So that is the pepper over there. This is bell peppers. I have here like 3 bell peppers, and I have 2 Scotch bonnets, and I also have onion. So I'm not using tomato, so I'll be blending this with my mini food processor. And this is my fish. I'm using fish for the stew, so I'll be frying the fish. I have cleaned it. And this is my egg. I have here 3 eggs. I'll be using the eggs as well. So now the first thing we are going to do is to blend the pepper and fry the fish. I'll be placing my frying pan on my stove, and I have some oil here. I've used this oil to fry fish once, so I'm going to use it again. So I've transferred the oil into my pan, and I'm going to put salt in my fish, just a little bit of salt, not much salt, just a little. So this is my salt. I'm just going to sprinkle some on the fish. Yeah, that is it. So I'll just wait for the oil. I'll wait for the oil to heat up before I transfer the fish inside. So for the meantime, I just have to get my mini food processor ready to blend in the pepper while the oil is heating up. How you guys doing now? How you guys doing? So I'll be blending this now. Guys, I am done frying my fish. As you guys can see, this is it. So I'm using the same frying pan that I use for the fish. So I have washed the frying pan. So I'm just going to put my palm oil because I'm using palm oil for the stew. So I'll add my palm oil into the frying pan, then I'll proceed by adding my pepper mix in it. So guys, as you can see, the weather is so hot. I have to open all of my window, my kitchen window. The weather hot though, not be small. So my palm oil is hot now. I'll proceed by adding my sliced onion, and I'm going to stir this. I'm going to leave this for about 2 minutes. You know, fry the onion till the flavor is out. My onion is translucent, then I'll go ahead to add my pepper mix in there. Then I am going to give it a stir. Then stir it and leave this to fry. Can somebody just tell me why the lighting is like this? The two window in my kitchen is open right now because there is heat there, and it's not yet summer self, and the heat is so now I have poured my pepper mix into the oil, so it is frying. Then I'll proceed by, I'll continue with my rice because by the time the stew will be ready, I want the rice to be ready as well. I am famished, so I'm going to switch on my this cooker, then I'll start preparing my rice. So I'm using hot water because normally I first make sure to parboil my rice. I parboil, throw out the water, before eating. So my water for rice is there, so that is it. So that is the stew over there, and this is the water for my rice, and that is the egg and the fried fish I'm going to use for the stew. My doctor. So guys, this is my locust bean and the crayfish in there. So now guys, the stew is almost ready, and the rice too is almost ready. So now the last thing I'll be adding is seasoning cube. I will not be putting salt because locust bean has salt in it, and while I tasted the stew, the salt is okay. So I'm just going to add my seasoning cube, leave the stew to simmer for like 5 minutes, then it's ready. He is always camera shy. What do you want? Ice cream. So we are done cooking. We are done cooking. We are done cooking. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? Yeah, calm down. ice cream. I'm coming. It's time to eat. So this is my portion. So I'm just going to like sit and eat now. I'm sure my kids will want to, like, you know, now. So I'm going to sit down and devour this food with a very cold water. So this is my water. I put it in my fridge and it's cold. So I'm going to see you guys when I'm eating. What is it? Guys, this food is too sweet though. It's delicious, baje. And I'm here enjoying it all alone. So just go and make yours. It is very, very simple and easy to make. Do you want to say hello? So thank you guys so much for watching our videos. We'll see you again in our next upload. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.